Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. In today's lesson, we are going over on how to declare a Boolean in Java. Now, in order to declare a Boolean in Java, first we have to type out Boolean, that's B-O-O-L-E-A-N, followed by what we want to call it. In this case, we'll call it answer. And we'll have to set that equal to either true or false. Alright, once we set that to true or false, we put a semicolon at the end of it. And after that, we can simply test it out by printing it to the console. Once again, my favorite shortcuts are sysout, after hitting Control Enter, and you'll get the automatic complete. Thank you for watching.